Are we live?
Are we live?
Just a minute. Yeah, I'm still alive. How about you?
Floyd. Today is Friday, January the 30th, 2026. It's around 11 o'clock. Dude, silver is crashing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going down.
Remember, I always say, you ain't made or lost a dime until you sell it, so just hang on.
So the big topic for the day is, why is silver crashing? Do you have any idea why?
I have my own thoughts. And like
Well,
I
let's
said,
hear it.
I was listening to, I don't know, somebody new on YouTube telling you why it was going so high so fast. You know, China paying too much, people buying and da-da-da. They're not mining a lot of it because silver's a byproduct. Well, now it's the other way around. I think too many people cashed in, which flooded the market the other way. And now they're just kind of sitting and waiting for it to hit a bottom, whatever it's going to be.
It could go down further.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it will, but I don't think it'll stay there.
Well, my thoughts on why it crashed is pretty simple. You got billionaire investors. They decided after yesterday, I'm going to sit on the sideline. It's 121.78.
Yeah, and I hadn't heard that till I came in this morning, but that's another reason.
And one of our local coin shops, well, kind of local because it's in Michigan, Liberty Coin Service out of Lansing, yesterday announced we are, because of the volatility in the market, we are no longer buying any of the four precious metals: silver, gold, platinum, and palladium. So you got the billionaire investors, you have, and they're not the only coin company that is no longer buying. We've even came to a state right here that we're only buying the amount of silver we sell. Because it's just crazy. What is it, about like $18, $19 today?
But you can't stay in business if you buy more than you sell, or if you sell more than you buy.
16%.
So you have to stay somewhere in the middle so that you're selling close to what you're buying, or buying close to what you're selling, so you have the little up and down. But you can go out of business selling too much as fast as you can, not selling enough.
16% is a huge dip. I did a video Monday. I'm like, it's down $10. Have you guys ever seen it go down $10? Well, it's Friday, just 4 days later, and it's down like $18 plus. It went down as low as $95 today.
What have I been saying for months? It has to crash. It can't keep going.
So this is one of those corrective measures.
One of those corrective measures.
You know, there's somebody else in the room here with us that has a thought on why silver has went down.
And that's Miss Angel.
That's Miss Angel holding the phone.
Keith can't do anything without her.
So what's your thoughts on it, Miss Angel?
People got greedy, cashed in too much, and basically made it where most of the places buying don't want to buy it.
That is quite possible, because I was one of the few holdouts that still wanted to buy. But, you know, I gained over 1,000 ounces last week, and look at it now. I've lost money.
Yeah.
So if you gained 1,000 ounces, this is just, you know.
That's a lot of money.
A rookie, okay? And it dropped, let's just go $20.
Okay, let's say it dropped $20.
Simple math. And you gained 1,000 ounces, and it dropped $20 an ounce. That's how much money, folks?
Oh, we got somebody calling.
$20,000 in a week that you lost.
Well, that was just somebody on the phone asking me if I was buying 90%. You know what? Guess what? You heard what I told them. I'm here to tell them what I told them. We've joined the ranks of not buying.
It was a panic 2 weeks ago, okay?
Can't get enough.
Can't get enough because it's going up so fast. Now it's a FOMO or panic, whatever you want to call it, the other direction. It's going down so fast, I better hurry up and sell it before it goes lower. Well, then you hurry up and sell it, that forces it to go lower, just like you were pushing it up. It's long term, folks.
I'm kind of looking
Get off
at
the fast wagon.
I'm kind of looking at Angel's thoughts on this. She says too many people got greedy.
Well, plus, all right, the refiners don't need the stuff to be mined because they have too much.
Yeah.
Well, and I understand people selling it because they're older and they're getting out and their heirs don't want it. But what about the young people that are selling it just because, oh, I paid 20, let's sell it for 100? I thought stacking, maybe I'm wrong, but I think Miss Angel even said something about
Yeah.
this. Stacking is long term. You're kind of
I've always-
defeating the purpose.
I've always said precious metals are long-term.
You're defeating the purpose by selling everything. We did recommend, you and I both, you last Friday and me Monday, we recommended take some profit if you have something to do with the money. Don't just take it because you think it's at an all-time high. And I think that is affecting the silver market.
It has to.
Oh.
It's no different than the stock market, you know.
That's
if
right.
you get somebody that's more of a, because I've only done stocks 3 times. I made money, I broke even, and I lost my ass, okay? But, okay,
I've lost money in the stock
but
market.
they will tell you, stay with the right. It's gonna come back up. It's gonna go back down. Somewhere it's gonna find itself a neutral and get back to what it was just, hell, a year ago.
Yeah, now,
It went up a little bit, went up a little bit, went up a little bit, went down a little bit, come back up. I used to tell my kids, you can just about bet it's gonna be close to the 10% increase for the whole year. It doubled in 2 months? 3 months?
it almost tripled in 3 months.
Yes, okay. That's not normal.
Well, the thing is, when you're stacking silver for the long term, it's just that, it's the long term. We all hope to stack the silver and let our kids or whoever have it down the line. But silver is so far, even now, it's still, in my opinion, way undervalued. Look at the rate of inflation. Look at cost of everything, how it's went up, and silver stayed stagnated all those years. And it's like, something's got to give. And now it went up too fast.
Too fast?
And now something's got to give again, and it's got to come down just a little more, I would think, before it starts to ride back up.
I don't think it's ever gonna crash to what it was 2 years ago.
I don't think it'll crash to what it was 3 months ago.
No, but it's gonna stabilize, okay?
Yes, it
Now,
will.
if you, I don't care what you do, I used to collect die-cast cars, okay?
Uh-huh.
I paid a fortune for some, very little for others, okay? And it just kind of, when the market was hot, man, they was really ripping you off, you know? And then it slowed down and they came back down too close, so just a small, steady increase. But you have not made or lost a dime until you sell it. Just hang on. It will, my opinion, and I'm definitely not a financial advisor because I'm too damn old to worry about making money. I'm trying to help my kids out, okay?
If
But
you-
it will stabilize.
If you've been with us this long, guys, hit that thumbs up. Give it a share, and maybe even a hype if you really like the video. If not, hey, keep watching. That works for me, right?
Yeah, can we change the topic just for a second?
Let's change the
You
topic.
showed me last week.
Okay.
How many times how to type in to get on your chat, okay?
Oh yeah, you was having
Right.
trouble with
It
that.
took quite a while into the program before I
Figured it out how
when
to
my
do it, right?
granddaughter showed up, and she was helping me, so I did it. So I'm driving in this morning going, all right, now, Sunday's auction, how the hell did I do that? Come on,
Oh,
folks.
you're
I'm
getting me, man. You're
I'm
getting me.
77 and I'm starting downhill.
Anyway, guys, silver, as you know, is an investment. It's a risk like anything else. You're going to lose money or make money. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. Just be cautious. Slowly add to your stack.
Okay.
We've had people come in this morning in the first hour here, and they've added because it recessed back. What are you looking at in there,
All right,
Floyd?
I got a question for you. I'm
What's
looking
up?
at 2 Benjamin halves.
Oh,
Now,
yeah.
I
Let's look at both
I
of
do
those.
have some of these for a while for the kids, okay? Now, this says P.
PF, that's
F,
proof.
Proof, yes. 67 Cameo, okay? It's $150.
It's a 1957.
Okay. All right. This one over here says it's a PF 61 Cameo. and
67.
Yeah, 67, and it's $700.
Yeah, same.
Well, it also,
same
it's a
grade.
1956 Type 1. They had
Right.
2 types on that. We had a Type 1 and a Type 2.
That's a hard
There,
type. That's the
I-
hard
harder-
type.
Yeah, but I think there, the Mint is playing that game.
No, that?
No.
Oh, you mean
Way
amount of
back.
mintages and stuff,
Well, the amount of
yeah.
mintages, they changed it mid-year. The 21 Eagles, all of a sudden, Type 1 you couldn't get a hold of.
You know, the
And now
mint
it's
caused,
Type 2, and
you know, I never even thought about that. The mint could have caused part of this stir
I'm
in
sure they
silver.
did.
having all them problems at the end of the year. Nobody could get Silver Eagles. So, you know, everything's starting to run out. Oh, I finally got my Batman 1 ounce from the Mint. I was surprised they honored it because they jacked the price up to $200 on them. But I still got them at $135, which at the time, that was still like $60, $70 over
Now,
now.
you told me more than that to buy it for my grandson.
Well, they're $200 from the Mint now is what I'm trying to tell you.
But it's the same old thing, man. You can't panic.
No, you can't.
Panic gets you in trouble. I don't care what you're doing. Panic will get you in trouble every time. Like I did. I used to come in here and buy 1 ounce, sometimes 2, for the grandkids every week.
Yeah.
Okay? Well, then as the price went up, my income didn't, I went down to 1 ounce. Okay? And that question's been asked several times, what are you doing now? Well, then I went down to the 90% in the net box. I'm still spending the same amount of money, just getting a lot less.
And you're still getting a little bit of silver
And
too.
I'm still coming out, I'm still building.
Well, I guess Miss Angel's getting kind of tired. Are you getting tired holding that phone
No,
there,
she just likes
Cameron?
doing it. She just likes doing the bob and weave.
If you're getting dizzy, it's because I have to keep switching hands.
Well, I guess.
If you're seeing a lot of bob and weave in the camera, we're not moving that fast. It's Angel trying to stand up after a while.
Just to send a recap on this conversation Floyd and I was having about why silver is crashing. Too many people selling, too many people getting greedy, too many people not buying, comics not halting their operations yesterday for about an hour.
Yeah.
And it's just, something's got to give. So as soon as people start buying again on a more repetitive nature and not selling as much as they're buying, it'll start an upward pattern. But until then, it could go back down. So in my opinion, keep on stacking.
And
Because
remember-
it's fun.
And remember, you ain't made or lost a dime till you sell it, so just hang on. When it was going up, you were hanging on and real happy. It's going down a little bit, hang on again.
Roller coaster.
If you enjoy us doing the bob and weave, let us know. If you don't, change the
Yeah, comment below, guys. Thanks.